Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear search history on Google Maps. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, open the Google Maps application here and then tap on the search bar and you will see all your search history here under recent. And if you want to delete that or clear it from app and from Google, go back and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and simply go for this settings. Tap on it. Now in settings, you have to scroll down. You will see this option here, Maps History. Tap on it. It will open up the browser within the Google Maps. Now from here we can delete our map search history by scrolling down just a little bit where you see right above today you will see a drop down that says delete. Select that drop down and then in here we can decide how much of our search history we want to delete. Either the last hour, the last day and all time or maybe a custom range. So select your desired time from that. I'm going for this delete all time. And then all you need to do is select this delete in the bottom right. Once you do that, it will say deletion complete. Now we can select done or got it here. And now if you go back into the Google Maps, hit the search bar, those searches are still there. So for some reasons the searches will remain in the app but they are deleted on the Google server, and currently the only way I found to actually remove these recent searches items from Google Maps is to actually uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So go ahead and do that if you want to delete them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.